Tank400 Roof Rack Installation Guide. Insert the left and right crossbars into the rear crossbar. Place spring washers and flat washers on the hex socket head cap screws respectively. Insert into the internal screw holes. Then install the external screws. Insert double-shaped bolts into the middle crossbar. Place flat washers and attach nuts. Note that leave enough clearance. Insert the two middle crossbars into the main body along the sliding groove. Adjust the middle crossbars to the appropriate position. Attach nuts. Place double-shaped bolts into the sliding grooves of the left and right crossbars. Two on each side. Install the front crossbar. First install the internal screws, then the external screws. Adjust all positions, then tighten all screws. Install buffer rubber strips at this position. Assemble the brackets. Without tightening, keep the brackets movable. Install 4 brackets. Mount the roof rack onto the vehicle. Align with the holes and tighten the screws. Tighten the bracket screws. Install trim pieces. Tighten the screws on both sides. First, install 3 spoiler brackets. Place spring washers and flat washers. Tighten the screws. Unscrew the bolts of the luggage rack front crossbar. Insert 3 bolts into the rail. Install the spoiler by aligning with the holes. Adjust to the center position. Press the spoiler tightly against the upper side of the front crossbar and tighten. Installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing Tank400.